talaga yung gumawa ng way para mangyari to. And I'm really sorry I was late and I'm gonna go na din kasi kaya andito naman si Gia and everyone's here naman, so magiging compete pa din. Sa lahat mga naka-blue na shirt, babawi po ako tomorrow. Let's have merienda after tomorrow. Kahit sa labas na kanina, magdala tayo ng food. Mag-camp tayo. So ayun. Sobrang thank you to everyone wearing the blue shirts sa Alphinity, and hopefully everyone sana magawa to and para sa mga kids, and sana madami pa tayo makuha ng sponsor. Thank you.
Meron din kami plaque of appreciation in grateful recognition of your support for Alphinity Cares. For your support for Alphinity Cares and compassionate support to the children we serve at Home of Refuge, Project 8 Quezon City. Yan, you cared, we thank you.